Alright, so today I decided that I want Jimmy John's. And unfortunately, there's only so many things that you can do on a motorcycle. Just an example, when you get the stoplights, sometimes your bike isn't heavy enough to trigger the sensors. So I'm curious as to whether or not it will work in a drive-thru. And also if they're going to, serve me while on a motorcycle. That being said, I've got my backpack here, which I'm going to turn to be in front of me when I go through the drive-thru. But I am curious to see if this works, especially since I always hate feeling limited or that I can't do things just because I'm on a bike. So, we shall see.
What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get a number 12, the Beach Club, and then a Turkey Tom, just the sandwiches?
Sure. Do you like provolone cheese on your turkey tom?
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay. And are you a rewards member?
I am not.
All right. Hang on one sec here. Your total is going to be $20.56, and I'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.